Weather. In Ireland, we are so obsessed with the weather. And today, it's 20 degrees centigrade. What's the best thing to do? After collecting the kids, why don't we have something in the back garden? Shall we? Can we bring Big George? Yeah, we'll go with the Big George. You know what I'm talking about. This is Big George, the George Foreman barbecue grill, smokeless it says. Let's see, it's gonna smoke. Can't wait! Apparently, this George Foreman barbecue grill can be used aged from 8 years and above. There's a manual here. Okay.
This probably our fourth grill, a second with George Foreman. We really like that one, but it's kind of small. And the third one is the one that we bought in the Philippines for like maybe 50 euro. It only lasted for not even a year, and the coating got destroyed and it's not safe anymore to cook. So I said, look, why not try another George Foreman, and hopefully this one lasts. Apparently it has a titanium coating, which is good.
Anyhow, happy grilling, and we shall be eating shortly. Thank you very much.